My dear students, let us start lesson 3, values and data types. Okay, so data type is a type of data which we use in our program, right? Okay, to write our program we use character sets in Java. Okay, and these character sets comprises letters, digits, operators and delimiters. So character sets we use two standards. There are two standards. Okay, anyone we can use. First is Unicode standard and the second one is ASCII standard. Okay, ASCII. The difference is in Unicode there are many more characters, and ASCII there are only 256 characters. And even if you consider it Unicode, so there are 1,60,755 characters, right? And every address is addressed by 16-bit code, 16-bit address. Okay, the advantages of Unicode system, a standard system, is it's a universal coding scheme which is followed in the world. It is more efficient coding scheme. It supports Unicode uniform coding width for all the characters, that is the size 16 bits width, and a particular code of a character is always unique. Remember, all the characters will have a unique address. Suppose these values are there, so they will have all unique address. It means whenever we type any letter, any key if we press from the keyboard, so one address is assigned, one value is assigned for that character or letter or digit. Okay, next is ASCII characters and codes. So as I was talking to about ASCII, it is the full form of this is as American Standard Code for Information Interchange. In this, every character has a value, as I told. You can see this is the ASCII table, right? There are 256 characters, but in this table the values of some characters are shown. Okay, like digits 0 to 9, the value is 48 to 57. Uppercase letters A to Z, the value will be 65 to 90, and small case letters A to Z, and the value will be 97 to 122, right? So these are the values. These are very helpful, so you need to remember the range. Okay, so 58 to 64 are different symbols. 91 to 96 contain special symbols like this. And ASCII code of white space, that is blank space, is 32. Remember, the most important is the ASCII value of uppercase letters, small case letters and the digits. Okay, so I am repeating: the ASCII value of uppercase letters, that is 65 to 90, lowercase letters 97 to 122, digits 48 to 57. Okay, so let us see the difference. Unicode is a generalized form of coding scheme for numerous characters of different scripts, and ASCII is a specific coding scheme for the limited characters. Remember, I told there are 256 characters. There is a higher range of codes and there is a limited range of codes because of the limited characters. Now, what is escape sequence? So escape sequence is a non-graphic characters which we would like to use whenever we are going to print something over the screen. Okay, and in this escape sequence, character always begins with a backslash and it is followed by one or more characters like this \t. This is tab. It is used to give 8 spaces Okay, it means more than one space at a time. So 8 space we can give. Same, it is slash v, that is vertical tab, backslash to give a backslash, single quotation mark, double quotation mark, backspace, form field, null, carries return, and new line field. So these are some escape sequences. So let us see some examples of this. Okay. So you can see in this there is a printing statement, and they have used somewhere slash n, backslash n for the new line. So wherever there will be the backslash n, there onwards the new line will be started, right? Name, age, class. So remember, new line will get started. Then backslash t. This character is used to separate the values on the screen. I told it is used to provide 8 spaces between the words or letters. Like this example, first number equals to a and second number equals to b. Between these two statements there is a space, that is backslash t. So you can see this is the result. This is the gap. This is the why this gap came, because of the backslash t. Same, to give the double quotation mark we will have to use in this way. Okay, between these two quotation mark, backslash quotation mark, there is a word computer, so it will be printed like that. Okay. So next is token. This I will discuss in next part. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching.